Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can recover your Genshin Impact account. So before I show you guys how you guys can do it, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future Genshin Impact videos on our channel. And yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping so you guys can't get confused on how you guys can do it. So let's start the video. First thing first, you want to search for Genshin Impact on your search engine. After you search for it, you want to click on the second link over here. Click on it. After you click on the second link, it's going to take you to this page. Now, after you come to this page, you want to click on where it says official site, and it's going to take you to Genshin Impact's official site. After you're in Genshin Impact's official site, you want to click on where it says login. Once you click on login, as you forgot your password, so you can't enter into your account. So basically what you want to do is click on where it says forgot password. Click on it. Now it's going to take you to this page. Now on this page, you want to enter your username or your email of your account. So let me enter the email of my account real quick. After entering the email, you want to click on next. Now it's going to send a verification code to your email. Now you want to click on send code. Now verification code has been sent. Now you want to go to your email and check it out. Now this is the email sent by Genshin Impact over here. So I need to type this number over there. So let me type it real quick. After typing the code over here, you want to click on next. And it's going to take you to your passport changing site. Now, after you come over here, you want to enter your new password. And after entering your new password, you want to enter it again to confirm it. After you confirm the password, click on confirm. And your new password will be confirmed and you can log in into your account with the new password. So that's basically how you guys can recover your Genshin Impact account. So if you guys found this video helpful, then consider hitting that like button and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future Genshin Impact video. And if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comment. I'll reply to them as soon as I can. I'll help you guys fix your problem. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.